Hello, today I will be replacing the battery of Lenovo X1 Carbon. To do that, you're going to turn the laptop to the base and then remove all the screws, just like I'm doing now. All the screws that is available there, all of them, both the one in the middle and the one on the edges. Remember, you have to remove all of them to be able to remove the lid easily. Now when all the lid is out, so you gently pull the base up towards you. It comes out easily once all the screws are out, and there is a clip holding the battery to the board. There's a cable holding the battery to the board, so gently pull out the cable. You have to be as careful as possible. So that is the cable there. You have to be as careful as possible because the motherboard is very expensive. Just these are 7th generation PCs. So you can see, just gently pull the battery out, and remember there are screws holding the battery to the base of the system. So remove all the screws holding the battery to the base of this PC. You have to check around because some of these screws are hidden, and if you don't remove the screws, you keep pulling, it can damage the system. So you have to be as careful as possible. Just pull it out the way I'm doing right now. You can see this is the battery, so I'm going to replace it with another one. Sadly, then pull the clip back and then tighten all the screws. So I'm going to tighten all the screws back one by one, and remember to like and subscribe before and comment. And if there's one or two things that you still don't understand, you can just let me know in the comment section and I'll respond to you as soon as possible. So that is it, guys. The battery has been replaced, so I'm going to place the lid back and